Welcome back to Doug's Top Dogs. We're gonna make us another dog. This is one I'm thinking about putting on my cart. So I was at Shake Shack and they had this new barbecue, whatever they want to call it, menu. So anyways, they got me a Shake Shack burger. It was loaded up with some fried onions. It had some barbecue sauce on there. Had a little special sauce on there, you know, cheese, all kinds of good stuff. Anyways, I had an idea, well, you know what? I love those type of burgers, Western burgers, what a lot of people call them. Let's do a Western or barbecue style dog, something I can do on the cart. So that's what we're going to do today. So on the old V4 Griddle, I got me a Costco hot dog. These are the, I think they're bigger than a quarter pound. Longer dogs are the ones you can get at their snack bar. So we got that cooking up, getting nice and charred up and browned up just like I like it. So all right, so what are we going to put on this dog? Got our Costco dog. Next thing, that's a big dog, so putting it on a regular bun is going to be a little, I think a little underwhelming. So I got these Martin's hoagie rolls. And let's break one out. Now people may bitch at me about my dog to bun ratio, but check out over here. So as you can see on the griddle here, we got the Costco dog, and then here's the bun. So it's, you know, it's like the perfect size of that bun. And this will give us some room to hold some more toppings on there. So there you go. So the bun to dog ratio, I think it's good. No bitching about it. So we got our dog, we got our bun. What else are we gonna put on this thing? So we need our onions. So we got, so on the cart, I don't have a deep fryer, so I'm gonna use good old French's, you know, fried onions you use on a green bean casserole or whatever. So we got those are good. I cooked up some bacon earlier, so we got some chopped up bacon here we're gonna put on there. I wanted something, we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on it, but I did wanna put something else on it. So I took some, mainly mayonnaise, which I got right here. I put some barbecue rub in it and a touch of barbecue sauce on there to give me a little additional sauce, a little different thing to it. I think it's gonna be good. So for the barbecue sauce, we're gonna keep it local. I'm here in St. Louis. So they produce this barbecue sauce called bare knuckle barbecue sauce. These sauces here are from Five Blues Alumni. And we're gonna use one of these sauces here. So let's get this box open here. And we want the black eye bourbon. All right, so we got that dog, that's looking good. We're gonna get the bun on here, or my hoagie per se, and we're gonna get that toasted up a little bit. A lot of people in the comments talking about me not toasting my buns or giving the buns any love, so we're gonna give that bun, or that hoagie, shall I say, a little love here. We're gonna get that toasted up for a second. Once that's done, we're gonna build this dog, super easy dog. Oh, one thing I forgot, we're gonna put some shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese on there too. There we go, getting a little love on that bun for you guys. All right, looking good, bun's nice, toasted up. Let's get this thing built. So if I use shredded cheddar, I want to kind of melt it. So I think if I put the cheddar down first, then we put the hot dog, the hot dog on top. All right, so we're gonna grab the dog here. So we got the nice Costco dog there. We're gonna get that in the middle here. So I think we put it in there. If we end up doing that on the cart, if we keep it in there, it's gonna help melt that down. So next up, I'm gonna throw this bacon on the grill real quick to get it hot. Warm that up because that's gonna go on top. So next up, let's get some barbecue sauce on there. All right, we're gonna go with some sauce. Whoa, shot that sauce out, made a mess there. Then I think we're gonna do our onions. Let those kind of fall in there. Just like that. Let's get our sauce. And then some hot bacon crumbles. Fresh hot bacon. There you go. Yeah, that dog is the length of this bun here. It's pretty damn good. All right, there we go. All right. A couple things I do with the sauce. I'm going to thin it out a little bit so it comes out a little easier, a little nicer. But other than that, I think we're good. Now, hot dog, I mean, I'll probably offer this on a smaller hot dog. I'm not sure. Still testing out hot dogs. Not sure what we're going to go with on the cart, but we may use these Costco ones for our big ones. Who knows? We'll see. But let's try this out. I've never had one. I've only had it at the concession stand, so I've never had one at home and grilled it up or anything like that. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. Yeah, and I get that Costco dog taste, so I mean, it's similar. I mean, the ones they steam them there at the store. But you get that little extra char on there. Definitely, I think helps with the dog, makes it better. I mean, it's a good dog anyhow. So yeah, it tastes pretty damn good. It all works together. The onions on there, the bacon, barbecue sauce, and I like adding that little barbecue flavored mayo kind of, you know, just to offset it a little bit. So I think this is a definite winner. We're gonna throw it on a cart, see how it goes, see how it does. But question for you guys: should I go with shredded cheese, or I'm gonna probably have like a cheddar cheese sauce on there? Or should I do a cheddar cheese sauce on there? You know, when I put it on the cart. Anyways, that's it. Simple. There we go. Not sure what we're gonna call it. We'll come up with some name on it, but right now I'm gonna call it the Western dog. But that's it. Until next time, I'll see you guys, and I'm out.